Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be talking about dyeing your hair, and I'm going to be using this from Schwarzkopf. Keratin, it has keratin in it. Now unfortunately I'm not a professional or hairdresser, so I can't give you any professional advice, but I am here to share my experience and tips I've learned along the way. So if you're interested, stay tuned and follow me. Now, let's be honest. I know there's a lot of mixed opinions out there when it comes to dyeing your hair. Some people love it, and some people are just a little bit more cautious. But here's the thing. Your hair is your crown, and so you should feel empowered to make any changes that you want. Alright, so my first tip for you is find a color that complements your skin tone. Whether you're going for a subtle change or a bold, dramatic transformation, remember your hair is part of your personality and style. So have fun with it and express yourself. I'm going to be going for a ruby color today. Okay, now tip number 2 would be if you're going for a permanent color, which I am, make sure you're comfortable with the color you're going for. There's also temporary hair dyes out there, which gives you a little bit more freedom to switch up the color because it washes out very easily. But if you're going to choose a permanent color, just make sure you're comfortable with it and you're going to be able to commit to it. Okay, and make sure you put something on that it's okay for you to ruin. And make sure you clear all the floors from rugs and things like that. This will probably move to the side so I don't splash any on there. My next tip would be to make sure you read your instructions because each hair dye comes with different techniques, so make sure you read the instructions. I like to then split my hair in 4 parts, and then next put Vaseline around the hairline, on the ears, because we don't want people knowing we just dyed our hair, and especially that I'm going for a red color. This is definitely going to stick. So we want to put some over the ears and along the hairline. And don't forget the back of the neck. So the directions say I have to add this to my ends. So I'm doing that now. I'm taking them, not all of them, just one by one, brushing it with my fingers, and then putting this on the ends of my hair. And then just ravel it back up again. So if you haven't done so, do so now. Change your shirt. I have my husband's shirt on. And make sure you put your gloves on. And I like to start from the back, and before that, you have to mix these things together. I like to mix them in here so that I can get a very even application with the brush. I'm going to do that now. To pop it first. Now we put in the developer and the pigment. I went ahead and had more Vaseline all over my neck because I'm pretty sure it's going to go everywhere, this red color. Now, if you have curly hair, go ahead and grab a wide tooth comb, and you want to make sure you brush through so that we get all the strands in your hair. Okay, and then we're going to take a section like this. So we got our mixture here. It's looking like an orange color. And I go and I start, it says to start at your, grays first. So we're going to be starting at our roots. Then I put in the front, the back, and make sure I get the sides.
And then I'll start with the other side.
This way I have better control of, instead of the bottle, I know where I'm putting it, how much I'm putting.
I can make sure I get all the way to the roots. Everything is different. I love doing this bag.
Another thing I like to do is put the instructions in the sink so that way I, don't dirty too much of the sink going back and forth with the hair dye and stuff. So we are getting to almost the end, so just make sure that every time you take a section, you're gonna comb it through, okay? You're gonna hit all 4 parts first, which is the top, the back, and then the sides. And just make sure you hit that first, and then you do the hair. Alright, so my direction says to leave this on for 30 to 45 minutes. I'm going to do the max and do 45. Clean up this mess, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay. Another tip here is to remember to take care of your hair after dyeing it. Use the right shampoo and conditioner, and try to do a deep condition weekly. At least once a week, do a deep treatment to your hair. So it didn't come out the color on the box, and that's okay because I mainly did it to dye my gray hairs. When I first did this color, it did come out exactly like the box, but I believe that's because I had a light brown color underneath. So maybe I need to go white again and then try this color. And remember, if you're not sure about dyeing your hair, that's okay too. There's plenty of other ways you can have fun and express yourself with your hair. So whether you're ready to dye your hair or not, remember it's your hair. You should do whatever makes you feel confident and beautiful. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, stay fabulous and take care of your hair. Ciao.